how to add any screen on YouTube videos from Android. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the easiest method to add any screen on your YouTube video and gain more views. Oh yes, I think that this is real. Hi guys, my name is Abdul Rahman and you're on my channel UB where new YouTubers gain bulk of information. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the easiest way to add any screen on your YouTube video. The first point is to add an any screen template like this. If you want to download an any screen template, you can simply download it by Chrome. Simply go on Chrome, search a YouTube any screen template. You will see the first website name is snapper.com. Click on it and here you will see a bulk of any screen template. If you like any of them, just click on it, create an account and download it. It is too easy. And yep, this video is not sponsored by snapper.com. I'm just telling you that what I do from any screen template. If you want, you can. Now second point is to add your any screen template in your videos last. Like this, while doing your editing, you have to add your any screen template in the last of your video so that you can easily add any screen in YouTube Studio while uploading your video. Now when your video processing has been completely finished, you have to just go on video elements option. You will see first here add an end screen, and right here you will see an add option. Just click on it and then you will see an element on the left side of your option. Now what is this element? Yes, I know that you're thinking that what is this element? Element is matched from your template. Like if your template contains one subscribe button, one video and one playlist, so element will show you one playlist, one video and one subscribe button. And if the element does not match with your template, like you want to add two videos in your template and one subscribe button, but here you can see that there is not any option for two videos and one subscribe button, so simply you have to select two videos option, then place it on their positions, and yes, you have to set the timing by moving this line. Yes, you can scroll it and move your timing that when your end screen appears, your two videos will also appear at the same time. Now here you have to add one subscribe button, so simply you can click on the element option in the upper side of these elements. You will click on it and here you will see a video option, a playlist option, subscribe option. Simply click on subscribe option, click on subscribe button option, and here your logo will appear. Just set your logo on this position and you're done. Your end screen is ready. Just click on save option and done. Please. I hope you like my video. If you like it, so do not forget to subscribe my channel. And yep, if you have any question, you can just comment box. I will reply to it. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.